Imagine earning a significant income in 2024 by creating and selling adult drawing books using AI. This niche market is booming, with many creators making well over $100,000 annually by tapping into the demand for unique, engaging, and therapeutic content. By leveraging AI tools, you can streamline the creation process, ensuring high-quality and innovative designs that appeal to a wide audience. Ready to explore how you can turn this creative endeavor into a profitable venture? Let's dive into the world of AI-assisted adult drawing books and unlock the secrets to financial success. Welcome to day 18 of our 30-day series on earning money online. Today, we're diving into an exciting and highly creative niche: making money by creating adult drawing books with the help of AI. If you've been following our series, you know we're dedicated to bringing you the best strategies for online income. Adult drawing books have become a popular form of stress relief and entertainment, with a growing market of enthusiasts seeking new and captivating designs. By harnessing AI technology, you can create stunning drawing books that stand out and capture the interest of this eager audience. Imagine making over $100,000 a year by combining your creativity with the power of AI. Stay tuned to learn how you can turn this innovative approach into a reality. Don't forget to hit share and subscribe so you won't miss any of our valuable insights. The first step in this journey is understanding the appeal and market potential of adult drawing books. These books offer a form of relaxation and creative expression, making them popular among adults looking to unwind and distress. The intricate and detailed designs found in adult drawing books provide a therapeutic escape, catering to a broad audience from busy professionals to art enthusiasts. With the right approach and tools, you can create drawing books that resonate with this diverse and growing market. Leveraging AI in the creation of adult drawing books is a game changer. AI tools like DeepArt, ArtBreeder, and DALL-E can generate complex and aesthetically pleasing designs that are perfect for drawing books. These tools use machine learning algorithms to create unique patterns, mandalas, and other intricate designs that are both engaging and challenging to draw. By using AI, you can produce high-quality content quickly, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your business, such as marketing and distribution. To start earning money with AI-created adult drawing books, you need to identify your target market and understand their preferences. Conduct market research using AI tools like SEMrush and Google Trends to analyze popular themes, styles, and trends in adult drawing books. This research will help you create books that cater to current market demands and stand out from the competition. Consider exploring various themes such as nature, fantasy, geometric patterns, and abstract art to appeal to a wide range of interests.
Once you've identified your target market and themes, the next step is to create your drawing book designs. Using AI tools, you can generate a variety of designs that fit your chosen themes. Experiment with different styles and patterns to create a diverse collection of pages that will keep users engaged. Additionally, you can use AI to enhance and refine your designs, ensuring they are detailed and visually appealing. This process not only saves time but also guarantees a high standard of quality that will attract buyers. Marketing your adult drawing books effectively is crucial for success. Building a strong online presence through a website, social media, and online marketplaces will help you reach a wider audience. Use platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook to showcase your designs and engage with potential customers. Create visually appealing posts and share behind-the-scenes content to attract followers and build a community around your brand. Offering free samples or running promotions can generate interest and drive sales, especially when you're starting. One of the key advantages of selling adult drawing books is the scalability of the business. Once you've created a set of designs, you can compile them into multiple books and sell them in various formats, such as print, digital, or even as part of a subscription service. This scalability allows you to maximize your income potential by reaching different segments of the market. Additionally, you can explore other revenue streams, such as offering personalized designs or collaborating with other artists and creators. Selling your drawing books on platforms like Amazon, Etsy, and Gumroad can significantly boost your visibility and sales. These platforms provide an easy-to-use interface for listing your products and managing transactions, making it convenient to reach a global audience. Optimize your listings with detailed descriptions, high-quality images, and relevant keywords to attract potential buyers. Joining these marketplaces can help you tap into an existing customer base, driving traffic and increasing your chances of success.
To further enhance your earning potential, consider offering additional products and services related to adult drawing books. For example, you can create and sell themed coloring kits that include drawing books, high-quality pencils, and other art supplies. Offering workshops or online courses on drawing techniques can also attract a dedicated audience and provide an additional income stream. By diversifying your offerings, you can cater to a broader range of customer needs and increase your overall revenue. Staying updated with the latest trends and advancements in AI technology is crucial for maintaining a competitive edge in this field. The AI landscape is constantly evolving, with new tools and capabilities emerging regularly. By keeping abreast of these developments, you can continuously improve your designs and offer cutting-edge products to your customers. Participate in AI-focused webinars, join professional forums, and engage with the AI and art communities to stay informed and inspired. This proactive approach will ensure that your drawing books remain relevant and appealing to your audience. Success in this field also requires a commitment to continuous learning and improvement. The more you experiment with different AI tools and design techniques, the better you'll understand what works best. Take the time to analyze the performance of your products, gather feedback from customers, and make necessary adjustments. This iterative process is essential for refining your skills and delivering high-quality drawing books that meet the evolving needs of your customers. By consistently improving your craft, you'll build a reputation for excellence and attract more business opportunities. Networking with other professionals in the AI and art spaces can also open up valuable opportunities. Collaborating with other artists and creators can lead to partnerships, joint ventures, and referrals, all of which can enhance your business. Attend industry conferences, participate in online communities, and engage with thought leaders to build your network. These connections can provide insights, support, and potential collaborations that can propel your business forward. The financial rewards of creating and selling AI-generated adult drawing books can be significant. Many individuals in this field are already earning six-figure incomes, with some even surpassing $200,000 annually. This high earning potential, combined with the flexibility of working from anywhere, makes this venture an attractive career option. By mastering the art of creating and marketing drawing books with the help of AI, you can build a profitable and fulfilling business that allows you to achieve financial independence. Start your journey today and join the ranks of creators making over $100,000 annually. Remember to hit share and subscribe so you won't miss any valuable insights from our 30-day series. Thank you for joining us on Day 18. Stay tuned for more.